Tired of deleting Jira issues one by one? Learn how to bulk delete them all in under 30 seconds. I know the feeling. You have a backlog full of old test data, duplicate tasks, or completed tickets that are just cluttering everything up. And the thought of clicking into each one, scrolling to the delete option, and confirming it over and over again, it is exhausting. But here is the good news. You do not have to do that. I am going to show you exactly where to go and what to click, from opening your project to confirming the deletion. So let us jump straight into it. First things first, you need to open up your Jira account. Go ahead and log in if you aren't already. This is the starting point for everything we are about to do, so get that browser window ready. Now, once you are logged in, look over to the left side panel. That is where you will see a list of all your projects. Go ahead and click on the specific project that has all those issues you want to clean up. In my experience, this is where a lot of people get stuck because they try to delete issues from the board view or from a filter. But trust me, we are going to the right place. Just click on your project name. So now that we are inside the project, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a few tabs like Board, Roadmap, and Backlog. We want the backlog. Click on that. This view is perfect because it shows you every single issue that has not been worked on yet, or honestly, any issues you have in your project that you want to target. It is a clean slate to work from. All right, here is where the magic really happens. Look at the top of the issue list. You will see a checkbox there in the header row. Click on it. This will select every single issue currently visible on that backlog page. Now, pay attention to this one because it is important. If you have more than one page of issues, you might need to scroll down and check that it grabbed them all. But for most projects, one click gets everything. It is incredibly satisfying. With all those issues checked off, now look down at the bottom of the screen. You will see a toolbar pop up with a few options. One of them is a delete button. Go ahead and click that. This is the moment where you are finally telling Jira, yes, I am ready to clear house. Now, Jira is not going to let you do this accidentally, which I appreciate. A confirmation window will pop up. This is the safety net. You will see a prompt asking you to type the word delete to confirm. Not just click a button, you have to actually type it out. So go ahead and type the word delete into that field. This is your last chance to back out, so make sure you really want to do this. Once that is typed, the final button lights up. Click on that big red or blue delete button. And just like that, everything is gone. All those hundreds of issues you were dreading to delete manually cleared out in a handful of clicks. It really is that fast. So there you have it. From a messy backlog to a clean slate in about 30 seconds. I hope this saves you a ton of time on your next cleanup. Go ahead and give it a try. You will wonder why you did not do this sooner.